Hello friends, welcome to my channel Career Tutorial. So today I am going to talk about Bachelor of Pharmacy B.Pharma. It is a 4-year undergraduate program in which a student study the methods and process of preparing drugs and how does the dispensing of medicine and drugs takes place. Anyone who aspires to be a pharmacist today, it is mandatory for them to undertake this course so that they have thorough and in-depth knowledge of the science and medicine. It is 4-year long course and it is mainly divided into 6 to 8 semesters depending upon the coursework and practical sessions. The regulatory body for the program is Pharmacy Council of India (PCI), which is responsible for laying down all norms and regulations for B.Pharma. Now talking about the fee. Annual course fee of this course ranges from 15,000 to 1 lakh on an average, and the academic requirement for this course is 10+2 in fixed chemistry biology with minimum of 50% and above. Now talking about employment sector. So the person doing this course may get employment in government private hospitals, clinical pharmacy, medical dispensaries, etc. And the career options which is available after doing this course B.Pharma is like analytic chemist, drug inspector, medical transcriptionist, teacher or professor, research officer or manager, drug technician, drug therapist, and many other options are available for them. And the examination through which one can get admission in this course is like PUCET for Punjab University, and BITSAT, it is a national level exam which you can appear for getting admission in B.Pharma. MET, Manipal entrance test, MAHACET for Maharashtra, and KCET for Kerala, and some other colleges also accept the NEET rank for admission in B.Pharma. Now talking about this course, let me describe one thing that today many students are investing their money and time relentlessly without any fruitful results for many years in iterative manner, which is very bad for the proper in-time career making step. So I request you to move to another sector if you cannot afford MBBS in private college, or if you are not getting good rank for government colleges. There are many other courses like B.Pharma and also like lab technician, in which you can learn to operate all the medical equipments, and it is also a good sector except MBBS like B.Pharma and lab technician and many other courses. I will also make another video on that. And if you want to do higher study in this sector, then you can do M.Pharma, and there are also courses like B.Pharma plus MBA course. It is a dual degree course which you can do along with your B.Pharma, in which you will learn about management and you will also get the job at managerial sector in the pharmaceutical company and medicines. And you can also do LLB for drugs and pharmacy laws, and Pharma D, which is a doctorate courses. There are many other courses available. You can also surf on the internet if you are interested in it, which is far better than MBBS, I think. And it is also important to explore yourself rather than focusing only on the one thing. And there are many courses available for the bio student, and they think only MBBS, but there are a lot of courses. You must think about it. And that's for today only. If you like this video, then share among your friends and also subscribe our channel to get the latest update from our channel, and press the bell icon for all the notifications. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks.